mga ka-crochet lovers! It's me! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's video tutorials, I'm going to show you how I make this heart-shaped crochet into a granny square with free pattern. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. So if you want to know how I did this, just keep on watching.
The materials for this video tutorials, number 1 is hook 1mm, cutter, and of course the crochet yarn Monaco, and the last one is the heart-shaped crochet that we did last time in order for us to make a granny square. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is make a slip knot. Okay, then find the center bottom of this heart-shaped crochet. Remember that we did a 3 single crochet here, so insert your hook in the middle of that, or the second single crochet of the 3 single, or yarn over, then chain 1 and single crochet in same stitch, and in these 2 stitches do half double crochet. Okay, do 4 double crochets. 1, 4. The next stitch here, do extended double crochet. Loop your hook into your yarn, insert yarn over, but now you have 3 loops on your hook, only 1 loop that you're going to yarn over, and then this one you're going to yarn over, and then the last 2 loops. Okay, next stitch you're going to make another 2 extended double crochet. Okay, 1, then next is you're going to make chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then remove your hook from your yarn and insert your hook here in the second stitch of your extended double crochet, and then get this chain 4, yarn over, and then chain 2, 1, 2, because we're going to make a cable shell. So now you have a big hole here, so you're going to make 3 double crochets on the big hole in order for us to make a double crochet cable shell. 1, 2, 3, and then after 3 double crochets, chain 2, and then another 3 double crochet, 3, and then after that chain 1, then slip stitch here. Okay, in this stitch we're going to make extended double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets in the 4 stitches. 1, 3, 4, 3 stitches, half double crochet. 1, 3, 5 stitches, do single crochets. 1, 5, and the next stitch half double crochet. 2 stitches, double crochet each. Okay, make 2 double crochets in 1 stitch in order for us to make a shell again, like this shell. So 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, then chain 2, and then another 2 double crochet here. Okay, so, and here in these 2 stitches, 2 double crochets. And on that 3 stitches, half double crochets. 1, 3. 2 stitches, double crochets. Okay, this next 4 stitches, how I do that, just watch. Loop your hook on your yarn, insert, yarn over, and you have now 3 loops on your hook. Only these 2 loops you're going to get, and remain these 2 loops, and then another, insert, yarn over, and then get these 2 loops, and then get these 3 loops. Okay, so that is 2 double crochets together over the 4 stitches. Okay, stitches, 2 double crochets. Another, in the 3 next stitches, half double crochets, half double crochets. Okay, and the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochets. And then this next stitches, we're going to make this shell. Okay, so 2 double crochets on 1 stitch, and chain 2, 1, 2, and then another 2 double crochets. And in the next 4 stitches, make double crochets on that 4 stitches. 4. Okay, stitches, half double crochet. And on the next 5 stitches, 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 4, 5. And on the next 3 stitches, make half double crochets on the 3 stitches. 2, 3. Okay, and on the next 4 stitches, you're going to make 4 double crochets. Okay, 1, for next stitches, we're going to make extended double crochet. Okay, extended double crochet, and on the next stitch, 2 extended double crochet, because we're going to make this cable shell again. That's 1, 2, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove your hook and insert your hook on the second stitch of your extended double crochet. Get the chain 4 and chain 2, 1, 2. Make 3 double crochets in order for us to make a cable shell. Okay, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 1, 2. Then another 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And chain 1, slip stitch. Okay, and then in this stitch is extended double crochet. Then in the next 4 stitches, 4 double crochets. 1, 3, 4, and 2 half double crochets on the last 2 stitches. Half double crochets, and then slip stitch. So we're done of our. For round 2 is we're going to chain 1, then single crochet in the same stitch, and then 2 single crochet on these 2 stitches, and half double crochet here, the next stitch, and then double crochet on this next stitch, and extended double crochet on this next stitch, and on this 3 treble crochet, loop your hook in the yarn twice to insert, yarn over, get the 2 loops and another 2 loops and then the other 2 loops, 1, 2, insert, yarn over, get the 2 loops, that. So in this 3 double crochet here, you're going to skip this stitch, only these 2 stitches. You're going to work out half double crochet on the 2 stitches, and on this big spacing here or the big hole, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and chain to 1, 2, and another 2 single crochets on that big spacing there. And then on these 2 stitches is 2 half double crochets, is treble crochet, and in the next stitch is extended double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and in this here double crochet in these 2 stitches, and next 2 stitches is half double crochets, 1, 2, and on the next 8 stitches is single crochet, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, and then on the next 4 stitches is half double crochet, 4. On this cable shell here is 2 half double crochets, and chain to 1, 2, and another 2 half double crochets. Okay, 9 stitches is single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 9, and on these 2 stitches here is half double crochets, and in these stitches here is 9 single crochet again, 1, 2, 8, here is 2 half double crochets, chain to 1, 2, 2 half double crochets, and in the next 4 stitches here is half double crochets, 1, 3, 4, and the next 8 stitches is single crochet, 1, 2, 7, 8. Okay, and in the next 2 stitches is half double crochet, and in this next 2 stitches here is double crochets, and extended double crochet in that stitch, and in the 3 stitches is treble crochet, and half double crochet on that 2 stitches, then 2 single crochets here, chain 2, then another 2 single crochets, and half double crochet on that 2 stitches, and treble crochet in that stitches, on 3 stitches, 1 2, then extend the double crochet in the next stitch, then half double crochet in the next stitch, then half double crochet in the next stitch, then the last stitch is single crochet and slip stitch. Okay, we're done on the round 2 of this heart shape crochet granny square. For round 3, you're going to single crochet all around, but in this spacing here, 2 single crochet in the spacing here. Chain 1, single crochet in the same stitch, and single crochet all the way. Okay, then slip stitch, then chain 1 to lock up and cut it. So we're finished.